Hello, little artists.
Welcome to Overcome Her.
Welcome back to our drawing and coloring channel. Today, we're creating something exciting for Diwali. A funky Diwali rocket with lots of colors and sparkle. If you missed our last video, we drew some cute Diwali sweets like kajukatli and Jalebi with sparklers. Make sure to check it out. Now, let's get started with our Diwali rocket. First, we'll draw big, sparkling eyes and a cute smile. Let's color the eyes with blue highlights and add a little red for the tongue. Next, we'll draw a triangle at the top for the cap, then the rocket's body. We'll add fun decorations on the cap and give our rocket triangle-shaped hands and little legs at the bottom. Let's also draw a matchstick with a flame to get our rocket ready to go. Our rocket is almost ready. But wait, can you count all the triangles we've drawn so far? Write down in the comments how many triangles you counted. Now, let's color. We'll color the body bright yellow. Add some red and yellow highlights on the cap and body for extra sparkle and finish by coloring the stick. And the hands in yellow and red. The cap turquoise blue. Our Diwali rocket is all set to soar. If you enjoyed creating this festive rocket, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun art videos. Happy Diwali, everyone!